So Santa came back to Howell's. Let's see what happens next. Returning to Howell's, Santa found the aftermath of his absence. The school, once a haven of structure and learning, kindness and calm, bore the whimsical marks of the mischievous dream. With a gleam in his eyes, Santa gathered the teachers and students in the festively decorated Great Hall to remind everyone of the essence of Christmas. He emphasized the importance of celebrating traditions, cherishing family bonds, and extending kindness to those less fortunate than ourselves. He also reminded everyone that while presents and festive cheer were part of what makes Christmas exciting, the greatest gift of all is the gift of giving. And as he left to do just that, he thanked everyone for the warm and generous welcome he had received at Howell's. Grateful to Mr. Beckett for rounding up his reindeer, and thanking Clive for making repairs to the sleigh, he stepped back out into the snowy night, leaving the building with a long-lasting gift he never expected to receive. And that was the unique spirit of Howell's School. Thanks to everyone at Howell's, he was now ready to make his important Christmas deliveries. And as his reindeers took to the sky once more, his cheerful voice echoed back down to the school as he wished everyone a very Merry Christmas.